Number 4. Binigay kay number 11, pumukol ng 3. Is 2 points by number 11. Number 23. Binigay kay number is 2 points. Number 4. Nagdadala ng bola number 4. Pinasa kay number 9, number 9 pumukol ng 2. Is 2 points. Number 6. Sumalaksa. Is 2 points by number 6. Ang galing. Binigay kay number 29. Pinasa sa kalaban. Number 12. Binigay kay number 23. Is 2 points. Rabangko ang page 5. Number 11 pumukol ng 3. No good. Nakakuha number 8. Is 2 points. Sumalaksa. No good. Nakakuha na number 8. Number 8 nagmamadali. Number 8. Number 8. Is 2 points. Nakakuha ni number 9. Number 9 nagmamadali. Number 9. Binigay kay number 11. Number 11 pumukol ng 2. Is 2 points. Off the door. No good. Nakakuha niya pa rin. Binigay kay number 40. Number 40. Foul. Counted. Who's foul red? Number 11. Pinasa kay number 9. Number 9. Nagagawa po sa pinasa kay number 4. Pinasa kay number 28. Binigay kay number 9. Is 2 points. By number 9. Number 9. Number 9. Pumukol ng 2. Is 2 points. Nakakuha number 28. Binigay kay number 4. Number 4. Pinasa kay number 8. Number 8. No good. Number 8 pa rin. Is 2 points. No good. Nakakuha ni number 8. Number 8. Binigay kay number 4. Number 4 nagmamadali. Binigay kay number 9. Is 2 points. No good. Nakakuha ni number 11. Pinado. Yun naman. Binigay kay number 9. Is 2 points. Ready ba nakakuha ni number 13? Binigay kay number 12. Number 12 nagmamadali. Number 12. Is 2 points. Number 9. Pupukol. No good. Nakakuha ni number 8. Number 8. No good pa rin. Number 8. Foul. Counted. 40 seconds. Number 45. Number 45. Pupukol ng 2. Is 2 points. 30 seconds. Is 2 points by number 4. Ano ang pareho ninyo? Number 9. No good. Ang score natin ay 26-14. Number 33. Binigay kay number 8. Number 8 pumukol ng 3. 3 points by number 8. Number 14. Number 14 nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa kay number 18. Pumukol din ng 3. Easy 3 points. Number 6, pinasa kay number 45, number 45. Foul. Who's foul left? Pangalawang buslo. Good. Number 40. Number 40. Pinasa kay number 80, number 80. Pumukol ng 3. 3 points. Number 21. Pumukol ng 3. 3 points. Binigay kay number 45. No good. Number 45 pa rin. Foul. Who's foul red? So. Stop. Binigay kay number 8. Number 8. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Pinasa kay number 16. Is 2 points. Number 14. Binigay kay number 23. Number 23. Is 2 points. No good. Lawan ni number 45 na foul. Stop. No good. Lawan ni number 45. 14 to shoot. Is 2 points. Lawan ni number 23. No good pa rin. Nakakuha pa rin niya. Number 23 binigay kay number 12. Pumukul ng 3. 3 points. No good. Nakakuha ni number 21. Number 21 nagkahanap na papasa 15 to shoot. Number 40. Number 40 nagkahanap na papasa. Pinasa kay number 21. Pumukul ng 3. 3 points. Number 25 sumalaksa. Is 2 points. 28. Number 18, binigay kay number 21. 15 to shoot. Number 21 pumukul ng 3. Easy shoot. Number 25 nagmamadali. Number 25 pa rin. Number 25. Binigay kay number 23. Easy 2 points by number 23. Number 21. Nagano ang papasabi nasa akin number 18. 55 seconds. Easy 2 points by number 3. 15 to shoot. 35 seconds. Easy 2 points by number 23. 10 to shoot. 15 seconds. No good. Easy 2 points by number 3. Buzzer na lang po ang maririnig nyo. Outside. 15 to shoot. Number 9. Easy 2 points. Number 8 yung pamadali. Number 8. Pinasakay number 4. Binigay kay number 8. Foul. Counted. Binigay kay number 12. Binigay kay number 23. Pumukul ng press. Easy 3 points. Nakakuha ni number 6. Binigay kay number 12. Number 12 nagmamadali. Number 12. Binigay kay number 23. Easy 2 points by number 23. Number 9 nagmamadali. Binigay kay number 11. Number 11. Easy 2 points. Binigay kay number 8. Binigay kay number 11. Number 11. Tumalaksak. Binigay kay number 4. Easy 2 points. 24 shots. No good. Nakakuha ni number 6. Number 6. 10 to shoot. Easy 2 points by number 6. Mamadali. Binigay kay number 23. No good. Shot, shot, shot. Number 12. Pupukul ng 3. No good. Nakakuha ni number 6. Easy 2 points. 15 to shoot. Number 28. Pinasa kay number 23. Easy 2 points. Foul. Who's foul? 23. So. No good. Nakakuha ni number 23. Easy 2 points by number 23. No good. Nakakuha ni number 26. Easy 2 points. No good. Nakakuha ni number 8. Binato kay number 4. Number 4. Easy 2 points. Binigay kay number 45. Binigay kay number 28. Number 28. Binigay kay number 25. Easy 2 points. Number 25. Binigay kay number 28. Easy 2 points. 15 to shoot. Nakakuha ni number 8. Number 8. Binigay kay number 9. Easy 2 points. 4. Number 4. Number 4, pumukul ng 3. Easy 3 points by number 4. No good pa rin. Nakakuha ni number. Binigay kay number. Easy 2 points. Okay. Number 3. Easy 2 points. 15 seconds. Easy 2 points. Ang score natin ay 69-58. Number 28, number 28 nagpapadali. Number 28 pa rin. Number 28. Easy 2 points. Number 3. Nagkano mo papasa. Pinasa kay number 12. Binigay kay number 6. 15 shoot. Number 28. Easy 2 points. Nakakuha ni number 21. Number 21. Pinasa kay number 3. Number 3. Easy 2 points. 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 3. Pupukul ng ring. Easy 3 points by number 3. No good. Nakakuha ni number 28. Number 28 nagpapadali. Number 28. Binigay kay number 6. Binigay kay number 28. Easy 2 points. Number 4. Pinasa kay number 9. Easy 2 points. Number 9. Number 9. Nakuha ni number 16. Binigay kay number 28. Number 28. Number 28. Umigol. Tumalaksa. Is 2 points. Kay number 3. Number 3. 15 to shoot. Binigay kay number 9. Is 2 points. Number 4. Binigay kay number 9. Number 9. 10 to shoot. Number 9. Tumira ng 2. Is 2 points. 3. Pinasa sa kalaban. Pinasa kay number 4. Binigay kay number 9. Number 9. Is 2 points. 5 to shoot. Number 28. Binigay kay number 12. Easy 2 points. Number 6. Number 6 binigay kay number 25. Foul. Counted. Putlo. Pasok. 15 to shoot. Number 8. Number 8. Pinasa kay number 9. Easy 2 points. 1 minute. 55 seconds. 15 to shoot. 3 points. 10 to shoot. Number 20. 3 points. 30 seconds. Easy 2 points. Pag na-shoot, time out. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Basa na lang po maririnig nyo. Counted po, counted. All. No good. Easy 2 points. Number 4. Nice steal. May number 23. 4 minutes. Number 23. Easy 2 points. Isa lang po. Pag-isang time out lang po. Number 9. Easy 2 points. 10 seconds. 3 minutes and 25 seconds. 5 seconds. Easy 2 points. Easy 2 points. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Number 4. Pukul ko. Logo na ako number 8. Easy 2 points. 1 minute and 24 seconds. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Easy 2 points. 1 minute. 14 to shoot. Easy 2 points. 5 to shoot. Seconds. Easy 2 points. Okay, all 95 lang po. 13 seconds. 8 seconds. Time out, time out. 5 seconds. Basa na lang po, maririnig nyo.